Okay, boys and girls, today we are going to be painting with cool colors. Our colors are green, blue, turquoise, indigo, purple, and a few fuchsias in here. We are going to be adding lines and creating a sunset painting. You're going to start with your drawing by making a zigzag line across the middle of your paper for mountains. Okay, you're going to start with a very thin zigzag line. I'm going to go over that in marker so you can see it easier on the video. We are going to wet the very tip of our brush. We are not going to add a lot of water, and you will be using your colors. I am only going to be using my blues and my purples. I will not be including my greens or my turquoise into this drawing. Okay, into this painting, excuse me. So you're going to see me use the tip of my brush with paint. My class will be following along in just a moment. Once you are finished watching me create this sky. Okay, you are going to be adding in blues in zigzags. We want our blues to be very, very dark. So if your brush is not wet enough, it will not spread the paint out. Okay, if you need to add a bit more water so that it spreads it out, that is fine. Okay, we are going to add blues in zigzags to create a colorful sky. We are very quietly watching how to create your sky. Okay, I am going to outline my mountains with a purple. Watch my brush. Okay, I'm going to add a wet line, which I will be adding more paint to. Very delicately getting as close as I can to my marker line. You guys will get close to your pencil line in your drawing. We will not be adding marker until after. We are very quiet in class, boys and girls. Okay, you will be adding purple in a zigzag line to add various tones of blue and purple. Okay, I will be going around the classroom spraying your tempera cakes to keep them nice and colorful. We are very quiet in class, guys, adding our blues and purples to our sky. As you can see, our white crayon is shining through, and our tempera will not be drying on it. Okay, again, I'm going through my mountains and adding in my paint. Okay, it looks like I needed to add my crayon a bit darker, guys. So feel free to make your white stars and outlines very, very, very pronounced. And that is going to be my sky. In a moment, I will be drawing in my lines for my mountains. Okay, to add in your landscape, guys, you're going to get your pencil, and you will be tracing this in marker later. First, we're going to do pencil. You will be adding a wavy line on each mountainside. Once you add in your mounted lines, you will be doing straight lines across to add in shadow from one end to the other. Okay, boys and girls, this is the part where we add our horizon line. Our horizon line is going to cut our sky and our land. Okay, we're going to add a horizon line. Give ourselves a line across again and another line right here. Okay, we're going to add in different trees in different areas. Shh. Okay, our background trees are going to be a lot smaller. They are a lot further away. Okay, as they get closer, they get bigger. Okay, detail lines on our mountain.